Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started out watching a very special guest, LeRoy from Art Lore. She's an amazing artist, super sweet person, and we're so excited to have you on the Express with us, LeRoy. After LeRoy, we have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon with Venom Fluid Art. Now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon, hopefully. I don't know, we got a hurricane that might be hitting, so she might not have a video for this week, but so I hope everyone in Florida and around surrounding areas are safe. But anyway, so we don't know for sure if Shannon's going to be on or not. After Shannon, we have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art, and then we have the Hippy Dippy Painterman, and maybe my lovely Sis Cat. Okay, so I'm trying to get my video done just in case, you know, because I'm right in there as well. Hopefully we're just going to get some rain, but just in case, I want to get my video done. So I think I'm going to do a cloud pour. I winged it on the cloud pour mix. Oops, sorry, I hit that. I did one part Vallejo, one part of the Artist Loft, and one part of the satin enamel, and I did a half of water. So we're just gonna wing it and see what happens. I've got some colors out here that I had mixed up for bloom stuff, but I added some Floetrol, hopefully to consistency. We're gonna fill this cup and we're just gonna see what we can rock out with. Meanwhile, I'm gonna play some music. Alright, let me move these out the way. Alright guys, I went ahead and just put down my Cleopatra's gown on this round. It's a wood round. I just wanted to go ahead and do that because I've used it before, and so I didn't want it sticking. So I thought if I went ahead and put maybe a pillow down, maybe it would work better. We'll see. Alright, I'm just going to start pouring this out and see what we can come up with.
I've been feeling lost. I've been feeling empty. I've been holding on to someone that really wasn't worth it. I put out my heart, gave it my all. In the end, it didn't matter. I'll go back to
I'm just going to bring you down for a close-up. Alright guys, here's this one. I like it. It's alright. I didn't get the clouds like I wanted. So I actually think I'm going to fill another cup and go over this. But I took a picture of this one and I will show you both of them at the end and you can tell me which one you like better. Alright, I will be right back to fill a cup. Alright guys, I decided to fill another cup and put on top of it. I don't know how it's going to work, but we are going to try it. There's my cloud mix. I thinned everything out a little bit. There's my pink. We're just going to go with a few colors this time. Here's my gold. Gold. Like I said, they're a little... Sorry if you can't see that. Having issues today, big time. Okay, we're just gonna kind of do that. Gold. Okay. I think everything's a little too thick still, and I even thinned it out a little more. Okay, here's my purple. I'm putting too many colors in or something. I don't know. Purple. I didn't hate it, but I'm just going to see what happens if we add this to the top. Because I'm crazy like that. Okay, let's put some more cloud mix. I'm going to go from up top here. Okay. Let's go with the green. Green gold. Okay. Cut this out. Do that. Green gold. Okay. We're going to go blue. 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 Okay. I think that's all we got here. And we'll go a little more cloud mix. And we'll top it off with the rest of this pink, I guess. Gonna have a lot of pink in it. Okay. I don't know. This might look like crazy crap. I don't know. But we'll just rock with it. Alright. I'm going to move this over. I'm going to get my other piece back and we're just going to throw this down on top and see what happens.
This time is for real, we can't pretend. You know
Alright guys, I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Guys, here's the second one that I did over it. You guys can tell me which one you liked better. My clouds are definitely better on this one. Definitely got a lot bigger. It's a work in progress, I guess. Alright, I will show you now with the light off. Here she is with the light off. I think it turned out pretty cool, actually. Alright guys, Shannon Baxman's up next. Don't go anywhere. Well, we hope she is. After her would be Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And after Sis, we have the Hippy Dippy Painterman. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.